What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. Our last update, we showed you over 70 test runs. We're hoping for more tonight. But before we head inside the park, let's go check out the bee tree. It's been a couple weeks since we've checked up on our friend the bee tree, and just look at that thing. Covered. Absolutely gorgeous. And now it's spreading to this one over here too. Well, the bee tree was looking good, and so is the Universal Studios store. We can see those blue panels now around the corner. There's the lighthouse, and we're here at Islands of Adventure, somewhere in the high 70s today. Beautiful out. No wait really at the ticket windows. Turnstiles on the right are closed. Ones on the left are open, and not much of a wait. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Alrighty guys, let's check out the wait times. Park is open until 8 p.m. Hulk is at 65, Jurassic Park River Adventure was 75 minutes, 40 minutes for Spider-Man. Kong is 50 minutes, P-Flyers is 35 minutes, Seuss Trolley is 10 minutes, 45 minutes for the Hogwarts Express. Popeye and Bluto's was 10 minutes, and 35 minutes for Forbidden Journey. Not terrible, but not great. Well, it's running. So there's the Jurassic World VelociCoaster and that bright burning orb in the sky. The sun, we just saw a test run, and we're hoping for a lot more. VelociCoaster and the area behind Three Broomsticks. VelociCoaster sign, and down this way we have some unwrapped raptors. Let's go check them out. And there's one of the unwrapped raptors. And people are on it. Alright, so we have pre-show audio going on. It means we should have a launch here in a second, and we will see if it has any human riders again. About to have another launch. Another launch coming up in just a second. Show audio is going on. And here we go. And we got people riding again. Still got the work walls around the smoking area here by Thunder Falls Terrace. And as we can see, Dudley's is still down for some maintenance. Again, reopening in the middle of the month. So we saw about maybe 15 cycles with human test riders on it. Definitely employees. Don't know if it was for promotional or not, but nobody had their hands up, so kind of thinking it might have been. And we also have lights here in front of the Discovery Center on. It's been about 2 hours since we saw human test dummies on VelociCoaster, and we have not seen a test since, so, well, I'm gonna call it. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster, and how awesome was that? We had a chance to see human test dummies again. We are praying for a soft opening sometime soon. Of course, when that happens, we will let you know. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.